Hey there guys, MacGuzman here, back with another video, and today's going to be an unboxing. It's not a mystery unboxing this time, it's an actual package that I know what it is. It's going to be a Rubik's Cube, but I'm still trying to test out which Rubik's Cube on a budget would be the best. So, let's open this up and we'll see what its performance is like. Okay, so it looks like this is a SHAOLIN POPEY. So it's a D-Fantix. One of my first budget cube unboxings was also a D-Fantix. This is just another brand of it. So it's supposed to be another better one, and hopefully it's good. The thing with my first one was that the colors were weird, and also it was a little too fast. It would be better if it had magnets. So let's hope this one is a little bit slower. And if not, let's have it corner cut a little bit better. Okay, so taking it out of the box now. Okay, I thought it was surrounded in plastic for a second. So once again, this is the SHAOLIN I don't know how to pronounce that. It's either Popey or Poppy, but it's one P right there. I think it's Popey. So let's set the box off to the side and try this one out. So it looks like it's the same color scheme as the first one. It has the bright red and dark red instead of orange and red. So let's try it. So it is a little bit slower, so that's good. It still doesn't have any magnets, but it's okay because the other one was too fast where if I overshot, it would just keep overshooting. But this one's a little bit slower and it still corner cuts okay. It's not the best, but it's go about right to there. It's just a little clunky, but let me just try it. Yeah, it's hard to mix it up because I'm not used to it. Okay, let me inspect this real quick and let's try a couple solves. Okay, I think I know what I'm doing. That was a horrible solve. Oh my gosh. It kept locking up. So with my other cubes, they can corner cut a little bit, but this one doesn't seem to wants to corner cut at all, so it kept locking up. I'm gonna try a couple more solves, and as usual for the past couple months, I've been trying to get sub 20s, but it doesn't look like I'm getting anywhere near that at this point. But we'll see where it goes. Hopefully I can get a sub 20, and I'm probably not going to use this cube as much, but it's worth a try since it's it's a budget cube, and it's also a D-Fantix. It's supposed to be one of the better ones. So I say that with a lot of them, but it's supposed to be, because I think it should be. That's their logo, right? I'm not sure if it is a D-Fantix. Let me look this up real quick. Yeah, it's theirs. It's with the Cyclone Boys. It just doesn't say it on here because it's all in Chinese. That's why I got confused for a second. But I think the model was the SHAOLIN POPEY. So I'm gonna try a couple more solves with this. If I can get a sub 30, that'd be fine too. But hopefully I can get a sub 20. Let me just mix this up again and we'll see how I do. Okay, inspection. It's like clacky. It's hard to control where I want it to go. It doesn't corner cut very well. That's why it's hard. It seems like it's tight too, but it's loose at the same time. If I try to untighten it, I feel like the thing's gonna pop out. And there's no magnets in it either, so that's why it's harder. It's not bad, but it's not that good either. And let me get my first D-Fantix cube, and I'll compare the two. Okay, here's the first one I got. The logo is faded away because I used it too much, but this one's like, it's louder, but it's a lot smoother. So if I, see, I can't even, this one catches too much. It just keeps getting caught in itself. The first one I got was better. See, I only caught it itself once. So, they're both not bad, but this one just isn't that good. This one's better, but I'm gonna, since this is the one I unboxed, I'm gonna keep doing solves with this one, and if I still don't do well, then I might try some with my first D-Fantix, just because they're both the D-Fantix cubes. But I'll put this off to the side for now, and we'll keep trying with this one. Dang it, it keeps getting caught in itself, it's so annoying. Dang it, oh my god. That would have been a sub 30 if it didn't catch on itself. It's so annoying. I want to at least get a sub 30 before I move on to my first one. The corner cut's fine, but if it goes anywhere past that, it just doesn't move at all, and it's so annoying. I have to like push it back with my finger first before it moves on. I'll just keep trying though. So I'll mix this up again. Dang it! I forgot what algorithm I was doing. This one's like the one I always forget. I don't remember how to do this one. Now I'm stuck in this position. Wish the best of luck and hope I do good. Finally, a sub 30. Oh my gosh, 25 seconds. Okay. Alright, that's okay. I finally got a sub 30 with the D-Fantix, which is the, what was it again? The SHAOLIN POPEY, or POPEY. I have no idea how to pronounce that. Everything is in Chinese, so it's hard to pronounce it too. Let's move on to my first D-Fantix I got. So this one's, it's louder, but it's smoother and a corner cut's good. Alright, inspection time. That was a horrible cross solution. I could have done better than that. Ah. That was almost a sub 30. No, I missed the space button, but if it didn't lock up a couple of times, then I would have been able to get a sub 30. But I'm getting closer. I'm getting closer. It's better than a 36-second solve with the first cube. I'll mix it up again, and we'll see if I can get any less times. By less times, I mean like less time from my solves. Okay, this one might be a little bit more easier. Just depends on how well I execute it. Dang it! I already messed up! There we go. Finally a good solve. 22 seconds. It's great. I feel so much better now. Okay. If I just keep getting solves like that, I might be able to get a sub 20. But that was a pretty good one. If my GANS didn't break, I could be doing this all the time. But I have to stick with budget cubes because I don't want to waste $60 on another cube again only to have it break. So, just gotta deal with what I have now. Alright, 24 seconds. Now I'm getting better. Getting the muscle memory back into my fingers. Alright, so I'm going to do just one more with my first D-Fantix, then I'm going to switch back to the one that I unboxed, which I'm not even going to say the name this time. You've heard it plenty of times before. Yeah, so I'll do one more solve with my first D-Fantix, and then I'll do a couple more with the one I just unboxed. Which I think is weird for this one, because right here it shows it with stickers and a white edge, but the one I got is stickerless, so I don't know why it has that. Inspection time. This one actually isn't that bad. I might be able to pull this one off. It depends how everything else goes. Dang it. Let's move back to the first cube and see if I can do any better with this. I want to at least get a sub 30 with this cube, because if not, then that's just sad. Especially because I used to get like sub 20s a lot, and I just stopped cubing since my GANS broke. But moving on to this one, let's mix this up and see if I can get a sub 30. It was already so clunky when I was messing it up. Why is it so hard? Jeez. It's like really hard to do. And no magnets doesn't make it any better. Okay, I think I have it planned what I'm gonna do. That's that algorithm again. Come on, sub 30. Yes! I didn't mess up that much in that algorithm. I had to do the push and then push again. And I didn't mess up that much. I got a sub 30, 26.94. Finally. Oh my gosh. If you guys like my unboxing and comparison of the two D-Fantixes, the one that I got was the D-Fantix SHAOLIN POPEY. If you want this cube, the link is in the description, although I would prefer that you get this one since this one has a better performance. I did another unboxing of this one, which was a separate video. Once again, thank you guys for watching my unboxing video of this cube. If you enjoyed it, please like it and turn on notifications on my channel, and be on the lookout for any other Rubik's Cube videos I have, or videos in general, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!